India's rising global leadership in integrated, patient-centered and value-driven healthcare. Dr. Upasana ji rightly mentioned that it is time to think about a collective effort like we have tourism circuit, Ramayan circuit, similarly a clinical medical value travel circuit. This is a very good thought, and I think this is being discussed in the later part of the day. We all know that we are at the 7th place at MVT and in Wellness 20th, Dr. Muktaji mentioned. But globally, the medical will travel is growing at the rate of 10.8% CAGR, and we are much behind. So we need to think about that, how to leverage the opportunity, and we have a specific kind of expertise of traditional medicines, medical will travel. So if we club together, if we think of and if we evolve with integrative model of healthcare, that adds a lot of value. That is a possibility of a great value addition if we look at that possibility. We also know that India offers a unique fusion of contemporary medicine and traditional system of therapies, and the establishment of the WHO Global Traditional Medicine Center at Jamnagar further underscores the global commitment to advancing the safe and effective use of the traditional medicine. Friends, Ministry of Ayush was established with a visionary mandate by our Honorable Prime Minister to promote and preserve India's rich heritage of traditional sciences of healthcare. It has made remarkable progress, emerging as a key driver in the global recognition, promotion, and integration of Ayush systems into mainstream healthcare. Through innovative initiatives, extensive research, evidence generation, and global collaborations, the ministry has significantly advanced all these aspects of recognition, standardization, accessibility of the services and products, contributing to holistic healthcare solutions worldwide. Recently, we have requested RIS to study and to do a study for us about the service sector size of the Ayush industry. So they have given us an interim report, and as per interim report, they have mentioned that the size of the Ayush services in India, including medical value travel, is nearly $30 billion. So it is not small. Together, including products and services, the Ayush sector is more than $50 billion, $55 billion to be precise. So this is something, becoming major contributor to India's GDP. I'm pleased to inform also that that recently National Sample Survey Organization of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation did a survey for Ayush, specific to Ayush. It highlights the growing awareness and acceptance of Ayurveda and other systems, including yoga, in our country. About 95% of rural population and 96% of urban population are aware about Ayush, and majority of them are using Ayush in their daily life. 2.5 crore household, at least one person is doing yoga, which becomes 8% of Indian family size. So 8% of Indian families are, at least one person is doing yoga, which is huge. I am trying to convey the kind of undercurrent, and the same is in global level, that now the acceptance of traditional medicine and the curiosity and demand is growing at in a multiple times, and it is time to capitalize this opportunity. To promote India as a global hub for medical travel, the Ministry of Ayush has undertaken several key initiatives with the support and help of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Tourism, and under a whole of the government approach. And it has also started providing the key outcomes. For example, the notification of e-Ayush visa has also contributed a lot. I would like to mention that we need to think about expanding the scope of medical value travel. So at the moment, we only look at the possibility of having a hospital set up and then patients come for the treatment, and this is all about medical value travel. But if we think about expanding the scope, Like, for example, thousands of people are coming to India for yoga retreats, for spiritual retreats. And Ayush Visa has these incorporations. If somebody wants to come for the retreats, spiritual retreats or yoga retreats, they also get Ayush Visa. So I would urge industry to please look at the possibility of expanding the scope of medical value travel. And it is a win-win situation for all of us. Today, a knowledge report, Healing Ecosystem, Establishing Medical Hubs in India, is also going to be released, which is developed by Niti Aayog in collaboration with FICCI and EY. This report presents a crucial step in gaining deeper insights into the evolving dynamics of India's healthcare sector, with a particular focus on the increasing significance of medical hubs. The development of medical hubs in India is crucial to meeting the growing demand for high-quality healthcare in the face of urbanization and population growth. I'd like to commend FICCI for its consistent leadership and vision in promoting India's medical value travel sector. Platforms such as this conference and MVT Awards provide invaluable opportunities to recognize excellence, share best practices, and build strategic partnerships that will shape the future of global healthcare. Together, let's strive to further strengthen India's global position, not merely as a hub for affordable medical care, but as a destination that offers holistic, compassionate, and traditionally rooted medical systems. धन्यवाद.